Apple has released iOS 14.0.1 update that fixes bugs. Let's download and install iOS 14.0.1 on iPhone. So first open Settings app. Make sure your phone connected with Wi-Fi network. Scroll down a little bit and tap General. Then tap Software Update. This will checking for updates. iOS 14.0.1, it's already downloaded. This update includes bug fixes for your iPhone. You can tap download and install button. Enter your phone passcode to make sure it's you. It's start verifying updates. Your phone will restart and start installing new updates. This update fixes an issue that could cause default browser and email settings to reset after restarting your phone. It will fixes some camera issues. Also, it will fixes Wi-Fi issues. This update fixes widget issues. That's it. Software updated. Your phone has been updated to iOS 14.0.1. Go to Settings, tap General and tap Software Update. iOS 14.0.1, your software is up to date. So these are the steps to download and install iOS 14.0.1 on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.